We are also watching the weather very close for you tonight as we round out this year. Our next chance of rain or snow, it is right there. It is headed toward the Granite State and just in time for some New Year's celebrations. The question is when in the end of 2024, early 2025, this all comes, Chief Meteorologist Mike Haddad, because, it's been a wild 24 hours for us. Look, the highs today, some people saw 60.
Spring in December, right? I don't really hear much in the way of a complaint out there, Steve. I mean, there are skiers and riders that would like, maybe a bit more snow and some colder air, but look at these highs that came in today. Concord breaking a record by 1, Manchester 2 shy, Portsmouth 1 shy, Lebanon 3 over. The old record hit 55 this afternoon. Still quite warm, 40s for many. The normal high this time of year around 33 or 34. Concord's there right now, but elsewhere well above the average high temperature for this time of year. Clouds to the north, maybe a sprinkle of flurry as the night wears on. That'll wrap up by early morning as we track this storm around Chicago, back through Omaha, down to St. Louis. A lot of rain on the front end, snow on the back side of it. And what it means for us is some impact weather after 11 o'clock or even after midnight tomorrow night. Rain south, snow to the north after 2 or 3 a.m. And then Thursday, those winds are going to crank up out of the northwest. Here's great news, though. Look at the timestamp at 10 o'clock tomorrow, still on the dry side after a partly sunny and cooler but above normal Tuesday. The rainfall starts to move in after 11 o'clock or the midnight hour. So if you're going to be traveling after that time, the roads will be a little bit wet, maybe a bit slushy in the higher terrain of western New Hampshire. What about the rest of the timeline for New Year's Day, and how strong could those winds get on Thursday? We'll break down all of that coming up.
And be sure to download the News 9 app for your smartphone to stay on top of all the changing weather conditions all winter long, and turn on the alerts to get the breaking information sent to you right away.